Thank you for your purchase of Tiscon Tricycle. This fancy tricycle comes with must-have safety and other unique features. Please follow this instruction video carefully to assemble the product and to know the amazing features of it. We will go assemble this beautiful tricycle by using these parts. You will also need a screwdriver with regular and star shape. First, attach the backrest to the end of the main body. Next, connect the rear wheel to the back bottom of the main body by using the small nut and bolt on both sides. Then attach the steering head assembly to the main body by using a heavy screw and quarter pin. Now insert provided two AA batteries at the back of the steering head to enjoy colorful LED and music. Insert the front end of the movement rod inside the steering head from bottom and other end to the back end of the main body from top. Let's attach footrest to the bottom of the main body by using provided screws. Then slide the seat to the center rod of the main body. Next, place the safety guard with the help of small pipe and screws. You can adjust as per kid's comfort and fix it by using provided two long nut and bolt. For sunshade umbrella, insert the umbrella pipes inside the available cavity behind the backrest and slide the sunshade umbrella on top of the pipes. Next step is to attach the parental handle over it and fix the height as per your convenience. It will help parent to control the movement of the tricycle by turning it left and right. And for the finishing touch, place the rear basket at the back of the tricycle and fix it by using bolt and flower nut. The Tiscon Tricycle is now ready for use. Enjoy the fun ride or ride of happiness.